Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Theo and today I'll be staying at 4 Points by Sheraton Hotel at Pakuwon, Surabaya. Let's check out my room. Hello guys, so today I will be staying at 4 Points by Sheraton Surabaya, Pakuwon Indah, which is located at Pakuwon Mall, Surabaya, East Java, Indonesia. Today I will be staying at Deluxe Room with 1 king bed and it costs 834,900 rupiahs or around 59 US dollars. Of course, this calculation is based on the room price and the currency at the time this video is uploaded. What I can say about this room is very simple, it's minimalistic, it's bright, comfortable, it's a good place to rest, and I got the one with the city view. Actually it's facing another building, but it's okay. I like this clean vibe when I enter this room. I'm gonna show you the rest of the room and let you judge for yourself, but overall my stay in here is very pleasant, even though it's just for 1 day because the next day I have to go back to Jakarta. Okay, that's all my room tour for today for 4 points by Sheraton Surabaya located in Pakuwon Mall. And I will see you on my next video. Ciao!